Hello guys, today we are watching 1 in a million CSGO moments. Let's start it. He is very patient.
Heroic have absolutely trounced them today. Whoa, both players walk past each other. Could have been
Where are you going, man?
He just, whoa, not even on the
Where
map.
are you going?
Decides to save this round.
Nice knife. Nice gun. What the fuck is that? Is it really? It is very impassable moment. Okay, he's very patient. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? I don't believe it has happened. Very serious moment. What the fuck was that? It is very incredible. I don't believe it. It is impossible. Okay. Is it really? Is it really? What the fuck was that? Is it very passable moment? Okay. Okay. Bye bye Rambo. Bye bye Rambo. Is you Rambo? Bye bye. Okay. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god. Like a bird. Oh my god. It is impossible. What? Nice shot. Nice shot, man. Very nice shot. It is a peak moment. What a round. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice shot. He is very hero. Oh my god. It is happening. It is really happening. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. Nice shoot. Very nice shoot. Mommy, I am stuck. It is impossible. It is very impossible. I don't believe it. Really, I don't believe it. Oh my god. Really? Like a how? What was... What the fuck was that? My god. Yes. Okay. He's really dead.
How the fuck you are the best, bro? How the fuck you just kill someone with a smoke grenade?
How can you impossible? Oh my god. Yeah. You want to escape it? Okay, nice shot. What was do that? Oh my god. He's very lucky. He is very lucky. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice. Nice.
Ебать, чё я дал нахуй?
Nice. He is superhero. He is really superhero. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Oh my god. It is really happening. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching me. Have a good day.